To assemble your Vive Health Pedal Exerciser, flip over onto a soft surface. Fit the longer end stand onto the rear of the pedal exerciser. Be sure to align the screw holes. Fit the bolt with the washers through the screw holes. Get them threaded through, then tighten counterclockwise with the Allen wrench. With the rear leg attached, repeat the steps with the smaller front leg. Be sure the bolts are securely in place before continuing. With the legs attached, flip the pedal exerciser back over. To attach the pedals, follow the direction on the side of the pedal exerciser. With the right pedal, thread it into the exerciser. Tighten with included wrench. Tighten until the pedal is completely secure in place. With the opposite side, follow the directions for that side and repeat. Again, be sure both pedals are securely in place before continuing to the next step. Using the tabs beneath the screen, use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the screen. Remove the screen. Be sure the sensor bar is in place with the wire in. Be sure the battery is in place. Then firmly place the screen back in. Press the red button to turn the screen on. Click the button to cycle through the options. Turn the knob clockwise to increase tension. Press the button and hold it down to clear the memory. Turn the knob all the way back after use to relieve tension. If needed, fit the included strap under the device and around the front legs of a chair. Tighten the strap if needed to prevent shifting during use.